Mind-blowing Brazilian wax transformation. See the results that left everyone speechless. Ever wondered what really happens during a Brazilian wax? You're about to witness a transformation that shocked even us. From start to finish, it's bold, revealing, and absolutely stunning. The results? They'll leave you speechless. A Brazilian wax removes all hair from the front, back, and everything in between. It's more than a beauty trend. It's a full grooming experience. Unlike a basic bikini wax, this goes all the way. It leaves the skin completely smooth, soft, and long-lasting. Many people choose Brazilian waxing for cleanliness and confidence. It reduces the need for daily shaving or trimming. Plus, the results can last up to 4 weeks. For some, it's about feeling fresh. For others, it's pure sun. The session starts with cleansing the area and prepping the skin. Warm wax is applied gently to small sections. A cloth strip is pressed on top, then pulled quickly. Yes, there's a quick sting, but it passes fast. The process is repeated until the area is completely smooth. Finally, a soothing lotion is applied to calm the skin. The before and after transformation is incredible. Skin looks visibly smoother and more radiant. Many clients say they feel like a whole new person. It's not just about appearance, it's about how it makes you feel. Brazilian waxing can actually reduce hair growth over time. It exfoliates dead skin cells, leaving your skin glowing. You'll also avoid razor bumps, cuts, and itching from shaving. Many report smoother skin texture after just a few sessions. Tip 1. Don't wax during your period. Your skin is more sensitive. Tip 2. Exfoliate gently the night before your appointment. Tip 3. Wear loose clothing to your session to avoid irritation. And most importantly, relax. Your technician is a pro. I didn't think I'd love it this much, one client shared. Another said it hurt for a second, but the results are worth it. First-timers are often surprised at how quick and easy it really is. Confidence, comfort, and smooth skin. Yes, please. If this transformation blew your mind, wait until you see our next video. Hit the like button if you learned something new today. Subscribe for more beauty transformations, tips, and wellness secrets. And don't forget to share this with someone curious about waxing.